What's going on, guys? We're down here in Naples, Florida on our honeymoon. We're actually staying at Marco's Island, but we're down in Naples. It's super fancy here. It looks absolutely insane, super nice. Flew on a plane for the first time. That was a wild experience. I've got some clips of that and stuff. I didn't bring my GoPro with me because I wasn't gonna film any of this. I was just gonna experience our honeymoon. But then we decided, you know what, we're gonna film a little bit of stuff and share that with y'all. Hopefully y'all enjoy the video, and we'll see you at the end. All right, guys, we about to test out GoPro Hero 9 water test. First time. Let's hope this doesn't ruin it. Out running around trying to get some cinematic shots while Lauren is asleep. Got up early this morning, just been running around trying to get some cool stuff. I mean, everything around here is pretty cool. It's kind of hard to capture with the GoPro, but yeah, down here it's like everything is super nice. We didn't really even know what we were getting into, honestly, going here since our Bahamas trip got canceled by the United States government. It's like where people live, and then there's some hotels, so it's not like the typical Panama City that I'm used to going to. Oh, look at that fish. Whoa. Y'all see that? Look at that. What do you know what that is? You see that, dude? He's down in the rock. All right, probably not supposed to do this, but oh, there you go. Been out fishing, drinking. Why are us guys so goofy? Like, I've passed so many people walking, and every single other dude, we all do the same thing. We do the little that when you kind of do your lips, and then you just do a little head nod down, and it's like, hey stranger, what's poppin'? And we're just all a bunch of dudes being guys. We're out early today because we're gonna get a front row tent back there. But Lauren's trying to find some cool shells for Knox. So we've got one cool one. We found it at the pool. Someone else dropped it. So yeah, starting off good. Guys, we have secured the front row. It was not easy. We had to fight many Karens, but we got it. In this hotel, apparently no one wants to go on the beach at all. So, but we got it. All right, the one time we remember to film while we eat, we're at the Nook Inn, and this thing is a daggum beast. Lauren's in her phone, deep conversation. I'm about to chow. Got the Jeep posted up next to this lifted Silverado, looking good, making me wish I'd gotten red still. Some cool things in the parking lot. We've seen some i8s, TRX, a lot of fancy stuff. Out here with the rest of everybody, trying to get a sunset pic. We kind of missed the sunset. We've been running around, helped the guy change his tire on his Jeep. He was with two girls, didn't have a clue what to do, so we had to help him with that. Lauren looking great. Cheese. She's filmed a wedding for some random person. She's taken multiple photos for random people. She's here for these people. No one, well, I mean, everyone has been nice here. We haven't had an outreach of like generosity like that, But we have met a lot of nice people. So it's been cool. It's really beautiful out here. Hopefully y'all can hear.
Yeah, the wind.
We got one turtle nest over here. 2,000 likes, I'll stomp on it. No, I'm just kidding. It's like 30 years in jail or something. This is what's weird. It's like it's sand, and then it's like crushed shell, and then it's full shells, like complete shells. A small strip of just sand running all the way down, and then more full shells, and then hard packed sand. And the water's obviously very low right now. Oh, there we go. There we go. Jaws and shark attack. I'm not going back in the ocean, so I ain't scared. Yeah, this is like straight up Jaws. So over there is our hotel right there across the street. We got Pinchers, Touche's, Salty Dog, and I still can't remember the other one. Marco Prime. We definitely enjoyed being close enough to walk to them. We went to Pinchers twice. They had a lot of cool drinks and stuff, drink options.
Fun bucket.
Yeah, fun bucket. And then Touche's was like an outside bar. It was pretty good as well. And then the other place was like a fancy smancy. It was
like steaks and seafood.
Yeah, it wasn't like your boy redneck LMF
it's like
likes.
A Fleming's.
Yeah, it was like
if you're from Birmingham.
filet mignon.
Yeah.
Give me a ribeye. These things are super annoying. Where you can walk across, and as soon as those lights are flashing, like you hit that or you're going to jail. This is what you're getting here. That's the kind of trucks. 1K cat. Oof. It's insane. Insanely clean OBS alert. There's the heavily talked about 10 City with Pinchers and all the other restaurants on the bay.
Yeah, they said it's like
featuring a F-150.
Like a bunch of restaurants all in one.
Spur of the moment decision. We're at the zoo. We're like 5 hours early for our plane ride, so we figured might as well just go by the zoo.
Look at them. Are these? Those are anteaters, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Got some on the back. Got a lemur.
The lemur.
We'll see what all they got. It's 1,000 degrees, but we're gonna try to enjoy it. Just going bananas.
Look at
got giraffes. Dude, they look so bored. Oh, he's crying. The other one's just over there just chawing on it. Alright, we're feeding the giraffe. Holy crap.
Hello. Take my picture.
I am.
Eat it.
Oh.
Alright, this is the last one, so take a peek. Ready? Yay! You gonna take a selfie real quick?
Selfie with a giraffe.
Yay!
Your favorite thing. You got it.
Thank you so much.
Got a sloth in a box.
I wish we could hold on.
Dude, snoozing in there. Where'd the vulture go? Like, let me in there. I want to eat him.
Where's that beta set?
Oh, look at the turtle. Dude, this thing is way bigger than I thought. Dude, them things are freaky. Dude, you only see this on Nat Geo. We making turtles over here. Unreal. I don't even know if y'all can see, but there's a leopard up there. Just straight napping 4 legs off the side of the branches. Tail hanging.
Oh my god, you scared the shit.
Aww. We would not be saying that if there wasn't. There's actually not that big of a fence holding it. It's just like chain link. Is this the Florida pine cone?
No. Where's he going? It's like, it's hard.
Could literally kill us. Dude.
Can you imagine?
Florida cat don't care. Oh, he's got a story. That's him. Got his little head tucked in. Dude, he's got, look at right there, he's ate something. Monkey's cooling the Johns. Oh, he just sniffed it. Oh, dude, monkeys are disgusting. He looks weird upside down. Yo, I finally found iguana.
Get him.
The Florida iguana.
Get him.
I'm not gonna grab him.
Why? Will they bite?
Yeah, they'll bite the fire. They'll tail whip you too. We're about to roll out. They had a delay, but we're gonna make it. We got 2 hours, but be a good boy. Be good. But we finally found it. Atlanta, Georgia. We out of here. Alabama.